Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Hi, I'm Natalie. So today's video, we're just doing a little bit of a life update. I feel like I haven't just kept you guys caught up on what's going on in my life, and I really want to do that and make sure you guys know everything that's going on with me. First things though, I think that it's trying to rain outside, and I'm kind of ticked because I hear thunder, it's dark and cloudy, and I'm like, this is summertime, bro. Please just brighten the heck up for me. Let me get a tan. It's fine. It doesn't want to. Anyways, let's get on to my life and what's been going on. First things first, I mentioned this a couple videos ago, so if you guys were subscribed then or you didn't watch that video or whatever the case may be, I am moving. So you are very soon, within the next couple of weeks, probably going to see a completely different setup for when I'm filming. So my mom and I are moving on July 30th, and then I will be staying here in town because we're moving to a different place. I'm not gonna tell you where. I gotta keep privacy. I wish I could tell you guys, but I can't. So we're moving to a different town. It's a couple hours away, so that I don't move away from all of my friends and my boyfriend and stuff like that. I'm going to live the rest of my summer with my aunt who lives really close by me, so I'll probably be in her house for a couple weeks, and then you'll see another change of scenery as I'll be at my new house or in college in my dorm room when I move in there. So that will just be kind of what you guys are seeing in future videos. So I'm really excited about the move. Our new house is really nice. I'll probably do a move-in vlog for that and for my dorm room, so you guys can kind of see what it looks like and how fun it is. So our house is just a mess with trying to pack everything up right now and get everything cleaned out, but we're going, we're making it work. So that's the first thing, college, moving to a new house. Second thing is a few months ago, let's see, back in April, I went to a place called Pro Model and Talent Management. My brother had just suggested, because of my YouTube and stuff like that, and I've always been interested in fashion, makeup, theater, that kind of stuff. He was like, why don't you just send your information, your resume, into a talent agency, a modeling agency, that kind of thing. And I have a couple friends that work with PMTM. They're modeling and talent, so singing and acting as well. So I was like, you know what, why not? It doesn't hurt to send anything in. It's not like it costs anything to send anything in. So I just sent in my information. They called me the day after, had me come down for an interview. And then after my interview with them in person, they said, yeah, we would like to work with you, but I've never been on an actual camera set. I mean, I film myself and I've done live theater, but I've never been on an actual camera set before. So they were like, we're gonna have you take this 7-week course to kind of learn how to be on camera. I just finished that up, so I will be getting my headshots done, and then I will be officially signed with them for doing acting and probably some print modeling as well. So I'm super, super, super excited about that. It's gonna be such a nice thing to do while in college and just as a side job, because I don't really want to have to work on campus or anything like that and have to deal with making things around my college schedule. So it'll just be really nice to be able to do this on breaks, weekends, stuff like that, and not have to worry about doing stuff during the week. And third thing, last thing, I think my most exciting thing, PMTM is really exciting to me, but it was more exciting when it first happened. I've kind of been doing that now for a couple months since I've been going to the classes. This is kind of a very new development for me, this last thing is. So I'm from Ohio, and there's the Miss America organization that does, obviously, Miss America. Once you win a state title, you go and you compete at Miss America. I've always loved all of the Miss Ohios. I always went and saw their pageants when I was little. I always wanted to do pageants when I was little, but I was such a busy kid. My mom was like, you're not doing another thing, so I didn't. But now that I am 18 and older, I am going to start doing pageants. So I have to do a preliminary pageant first to even compete in the Miss Ohio pageant. So local county ones, there's Miss Akron-Canton, Miss Maple City, Miss Northwestern Ohio, Miss Miami Valley. all these different kinds of things, and you can compete in as many as you want until you like win a title. And then once you win that local title, then in the spring you would compete for Miss Ohio. So I'm going to be competing in those preliminary pageants this fall, hopefully winning a spot so that I can then compete for Miss Ohio this spring, and I'm super excited. One thing that we are doing for that, the Miss America organization, we work with the Children's Miracle Network hospitals, and that is just supporting local children's hospitals, sending them money and stuff like that to help sick children who are getting surgeries, have all these medical bills, and families that may not be able to pay for them. So I have a donation link down below if you want to support me in the scholarship program as well as local children. It actually goes to my local hospital, so you will be supporting people in the Ohio area. It could even be people that I know, people, if you're from Ohio, people that you know. It's just going to our local children's hospitals here, and it would be greatly appreciated. Even if you can donate $5, $10, $15, whatever you can donate is hugely appreciated, not only by me, but also by those families, because, I mean, we're helping some sick kids out, and that's really like the reason that I wanted to do this is you get great scholarship opportunities, and you also get a great opportunity to help people out. So I am super excited about getting to work with them and getting to work with this organization that is going to benefit children, and then as well as meet all the other young ladies that have such great platforms and everything. I'm so excited to work on my platform and my talent, and as I go along this journey, I will keep you guys updated. If you want to see like vlogs of pageant stuff, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. But that's about all that I have for this video. It's kind of short, but I just wanted to let you guys know what is going on, because I wanted to keep you updated on my life, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.